With 4 months to go before that important moving date, even without the contract signed and sealed yet, there's plenty of work to do in the garden to get those plants ready so that we can lift them and get them into their new home. One of the most important prepping jobs is to cut around the root ball of established shrubs, conifers and small trees to sever the roots and encourage the plant to make a more fibrous root system. This will make it easier to move when the time comes and keep the soil in a really good lump around the roots. It depends on the size of the plant really, but you'll need to slice into the soil around 30 to 40 centimetres away from the main stem or trunk, pushing the spade in with the weight of your foot to cut right through the roots. Cutting back the top growth of the plants by around 1/3 of their height is also good practice ahead of the move. It not only reduces the size of the plant and balances the effect of cutting around the root ball, but it also encourages the plant to make bushy regrowth from low down, and that'll allow the plant to re-establish after it's moved. Dividing border perennials is a great way to be taking some of your favourite plants with you without spoiling the overall effect for the new owners. And you can do this best in the dormant season if you lift and chop up the clumps well ahead of the moving date. During the growing season though, it's probably better to scrape away the soil at the base of the plant and slice off sections from the side so that you don't disturb the main plant too much. Pot up the divisions and keep them in a sheltered, partly shaded place where you can care for them while they root and establish right through the compost. And don't forget to collect ripe seeds from suitable plants as soon as they're ready in the run-up to your move. Things like agapanthus, verbena bonariensis, lupins and a whole host of other border perennials produce lots of seed that can be used to grow many plants for your new garden.